Namaste. I'm Joey, and it is my pleasure and honor to guide you into a deeply relaxed state. I truly hope this helps to bring you inner healing and deep restoration. Prepare to immerse yourself in the gentle embrace of relaxation and mindfulness. Find a quiet and comfortable space to settle into. Maybe sitting up or lying down in your bed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Allow the outside world to fade away as you begin to turn your attention inward. Feel the support beneath you and begin to let go of any tension in your body, starting with your forehead, your jaw, and slowly making your way down to your toes. Bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Allow each breath to anchor you in the present moment. With your eyes closed and your breath steady, turning your attention inward. Allow a sense of quiet reflection to fill you. Feel the space around your heart and recognize the power of intention within you. In this peaceful moment, invite a heartfelt affirmation to surface, an intention that resonates with your truest self. Consider the qualities you wish to cultivate or the changes you seek in your life. And allow your sankalpa, your personal resolve, to arise naturally from the depths of your being. As you hold your sankalpa in your awareness, feel its energy merging with your breath. With each inhalation, breathe life into your intention. With each exhalation, release any doubts or obstacles. This sankalpa is a seed planted in the fertile soil of your consciousness. Nurture it with the light of your attention. As we move forward in this practice, let your intention be a guiding light, illuminating your path towards self-discovery and positive transformation. Now, as we embark on this journey of rotation of consciousness, bring your awareness to each part of your body. Feel the gentle touch of attention as we traverse through the landscape of your being. Begin by directing your focus to the right thumb, sensing any sensations or energy there. And now allow your awareness to travel to the right index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Feel the aliveness in each digit. Shift your attention to the palm of your right hand, the back of the hand, and the wrist. Sense the flow of energy through your hand as you immerse yourself in this mindful exploration. And now allow your awareness to glide up to your right forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Feel the subtle sensations in each area, embracing the entirety of your right arm, hand, and shoulder. And now transition your focus to the right side of your chest, your ribs, and the space around your heart. Sense the gentle rise and fall with each breath, acknowledging the vitality within. Shift to the right side of the abdomen, noticing the warmth and presence there. Travel down to the right hip, thigh, knee, and calf. Feel the weight and support in each part as you journey through the right leg. Direct your attention to the right ankle, sole of the right foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Sense the connection between your entire foot and the earth beneath. Now let your awareness move to the left side of the body, mirroring the exploration from the left hand thumb. index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. Traverse through the palm of the hand, back of the hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Notice the collarbone, left side of the chest, abdomen, and feel the pelvis. Travel down to the left hip, thigh, knee, and calf. Feel the weight and support in each part as you journey through your left leg. And feel the left ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, and left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Expand awareness to the back, upper, middle, lower back, the spine, and the entirety of your torso. Feel the unity of your being as you embrace the interconnectedness of each part. Move your attention from the base of the spine to the neck, throat, and the back of the head. Sense the subtle energy flowing through these areas, connecting mind and body. Now bring awareness to the crown of the head. Feel the sense of openness and expansiveness as you hold the entirety of your body in your awareness. In this rotation of consciousness, you've explored the intricate map of your being. As we move forward, carry this heightened awareness with you, nurturing a profound connection to every part of yourself. As we delve into the practice of breath awareness, begin by simply observing your natural breath. Notice the inhalation and the exhalation without trying to change anything. Feel the coolness as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. Now bring awareness to the rise and fall of your chest, or the expansion and contraction of your abdomen with each breath. Allow this gentle rhythm to anchor you to the present moment. As you continue to breathe, start counting your breaths backward from 10 to 1. Inhale deeply, saying silently 10, and exhale fully. Inhale deeply, saying silently 9, and exhale fully. Continue this countdown, allowing your breath to naturally become slower and more intentional. No matter where you are, let go of the counting and simply be present with your breath. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensation of breathing. And use the breath as an anchor, a constant in the ever-changing landscape of your thoughts. And now as you breathe, imagine inhaling positive energy and exhaling any tension or negativity. Feel the breath cleansing your body and mind with each cycle. Before we conclude, take a few moments to inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale fully, releasing any remnants of stress or distraction. And now, in this exploration of opposites, focus your attention on the sensation of freedom. As you breathe in, envision the expansiveness of open skies and boundless horizons. And feel the lightness in your body as if you can effortlessly float and soar. Now shift your awareness to the opposite sensation, a sense of containment or restriction. As you exhale, imagine a gentle constriction like a cocoon around you. Feel the grounded weight, creating a sense of rootedness and stability. Return to the sensation of freedom with each inhalation. Picture vast landscapes, wide open spaces, and the exhilarating feeling of unbounding possibilities. Allow this freedom to permeate every cell of your being. Transition to the opposite once more. Embrace the coziness of a secure space like a protective hug. Feel the boundaries around you, providing a sense of safety and comfort. Continue this rhythmic exploration, alternating between the expansive sensation of freedom and the comforting feeling of containment. And allow your breath to guide you through these opposites, creating a harmonious dance between liberation and security. And now delve into the emotion of awe. Visualize a moment that left you breathless, surrounded by the extraordinary. Allow the sensations of wonder, amazement, and reverence to fill your being. Breathe in the enormity of the experience, letting awe expand within you. And now transition to the opposite emotion, the mundane or the ordinary. Imagine a release of any heightened emotions, returning to a state of everyday familiarity. Feel the simplicity and routine settling in like a calm after the storm. And now return to the emotion of awe. Recreate the sense of marvel as if you're witnessing something truly remarkable. Let awe wash over you, igniting a spark of inspiration and appreciation. Shift once more to the opposite emotion. Embrace the mundane, finding beauty in the ordinary aspects of life. Notice the subtleties and the quiet moments that often go unnoticed. And now continue this oscillation between awe and its opposite, allowing your breath to guide you through the spectrum of emotions. Feel the contrast and the richness in experiencing both the extraordinary and the ordinary within the landscape of your feelings. Reflect on the dynamic interplay between awe and its opposite, recognizing the profound beauty that exists in both ends of the emotional spectrum. And now envision a lush, untouched forest surrounding you. Begin your journey on a narrow trail, the earth beneath your feet soft and supportive. Feel the coolness of the forest air as you breathe in the scent of pine and earth. As you walk, notice the vibrant hues of green all around you. Towering trees, delicate ferns, and moss-covered rocks. Listen to the symphony of nature, the rustle of leaves, the gentle whisper of the wind, and the distant melody of bird song. The path meanders and you find yourself drawn to the sound of cascading water. Follow the melody and soon the trees part to reveal a pristine waterfall untouched by human hands. Witness the water dancing from the heights, shimmering in the dappled sunlight. Approach the waterfall, feeling the mist on your face and the powerful yet soothing roar. As you stand before this natural spectacle, let the energy of the waterfall cleanse and invigorate your being. Now a hidden trail beckons, a passage behind the waterfall. Walk through the curtain of water, feeling its cool embrace. The world behind the falls is a secret sanctuary, a space resonating with the elemental forces of water and earth. Explore this mystical realm, noticing the play of light and shadow on the wet rocks. As you venture further, discover a small alcove bathed in a soft, ethereal glow. Here, find a personal token, a symbol just for you. It may be a smooth stone, a delicate flower, a shimmering crystal, or something completely different. Hold this token in your hands, feeling its energy. Acknowledge it as a gift from the elements, a reminder of your connection to the earth and the sacredness of this journey. Sense the gratitude within as you tuck this token safely away, carrying a piece of the untouched waterfall's magic with you. As you return from behind the falls, take a moment to absorb the surroundings once more. The vibrant greens, the powerful sounds, and the grounding scents. Commit this experience to your memory, knowing that the energy of the sacred waterfall and your personal token will stay with you. A source of inspiration and connection in your daily life. As you gently return from the sacred waterfall, feel yourself in your comfortable seated or lying position. Take a few deep breaths, allowing the memory of your journey to linger in your awareness. Bring your attention back to your sankalpa, your heartfelt intention. Feel its resonance within you, recognizing the power it holds. As you hold this resolve in your heart, acknowledge the transformation and clarity it brings to your path. As we conclude our practice, consider the choice before you. If it is evening and rest is calling, allow the tranquility of this experience to guide you into a peaceful sleep. If it is daytime and you're ready to carry this centered energy forward, open your eyes and step back into the world, grounded and refreshed. Whether you choose to rest or continue your day, carry the essence of this practice with you. The energy of the sacred waterfall, your personal token, and the strength of your sankalpa are woven into your being. May they be a source of inspiration and serenity as you navigate the journey ahead.